Hello, good morning. ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ക്ലൗഡ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടിങ്ങിൻ്റെ വളരെ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള AWS പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൻ്റെ ഒരു കമ്പ്യൂട്ട് ഫീച്ചറായിട്ടുള്ള AWS ലാംഡയെ പറ്റിയാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ബിഫോർ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ജസ്റ്റ് എ സ്മോൾ പിക്ചർ അബൌട്ട് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ക്ലൗഡ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടിംഗ്. Cloud computing is a term referred to storing and accessing data over the internet. It does not store any data on the hard disk of your personal computer. In cloud computing, you can access data from a remote server. So, mainly famous ആയിട്ടുള്ള cloud computing platforms are AWS, Azure, GSP. So first we go to AWS. AWS is Amazon Web Services, and this platform is owned by Amazon. Azure, that is owned by Microsoft, and GSP is owned by Google. These are the famous cloud computing platforms. So now move more about what is AWS. AWS is a platform that offers reliable, flexible, scalable, easy to use and cost-effective cloud computing solution. We all know that this platform is offered by Amazon, and we can simply say this platform is developed with a combination of IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, PaaS, that is platform as a service, SaaS, that is package software as a service. There is various areas mainly used, and lot of benefits for that. Mainly used for social networking, search engines, academic computing, storage backup, disaster recovery, mobile and social application, media sharing, website hosting, application hosting, and so on. Most of the famous companies use AWS are Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, Netflix, etc. So now we move to what is AWS Lambda. We all know that AWS Lambda is a compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. Lambda runs your code on a high availability compute infrastructure and perform all of the administration of the compute resources, including server and operating system, maintenance, capacity provisioning, and automatic scaling and logging. With Lambda, you can run code for virtually any type of application or backend services. We can say Lambda enable you to use function with pre-trained machine learning models to inject artificial intelligence into application more easily. So Lambda is very, very easy for different streams, mainly the developers, then analysts, artificial intelligence teams, machine learning teams, etc. By a single application request interface, they can classify image, analyze videos, convert speech to text, perform natural language processing, and more. Now we can see a real-time example of AWS Lambda. The best example is Netflix with its 70 million hours of content in a quarter to nearly 60 million customer users. AWS Lambda. Use AWS Lambda examples of media transform to facilitate the media files in more than 50 formats. Thank you.